Redeemer, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful on ye nations rise, join the triumph of the sky. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Christ my highest and adored, Christ the everlasting Lord, in the manger born a King, what adoring angels sing. Peace on earth to men goodwill, bid the trembling soul be still. Christ on earth has come to dwell, Jesus our Emmanuel. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Hail the